If you've ever wondered how to start making money online with email marketing, this is a complete beginner friendly path you can follow. Email marketing is simply a way to promote directly to people without worrying about social media algorithms or unpredictable reach, because when you own an email list, you own that direct line of communication. The first and most important step is to actually build your list the right way. Never fall into the trap of buying email lists. Not only are they low quality, but they also damage your reputation and can even get you flagged as spam. Instead, the ethical way is to use something called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free piece of value, maybe an ebook, checklist, or short video that you give away in exchange for someone's email address. This method helps attract people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Now, to collect those emails, you need a beginner-friendly tool, and one of the best options is ConvertKit. It allows you to set up sign-up forms, manage your audience, and even create automated campaigns. The free plan includes landing pages, which makes it perfect if you're just starting out. Creating a landing page is simple. You choose a template, customize the text and visuals, and clearly show your visitors why they should subscribe by highlighting the value of your lead magnet. This forms the foundation of your email marketing journey. Once people start joining your list, the next step is to send them a welcome email. Think of this as your first impression. It's where you introduce yourself, deliver on the promise of your lead magnet, and let subscribers know what they can expect from you moving forward. From there, your focus should be on building a genuine relationship. Send useful tips, guides, or personal stories that help your audience rather than constantly pushing for sales. Over time, when trust builds, you can begin monetizing in two main ways. One way is selling your own products, for example, through platforms like Gumroad, where you explain clearly what the product offers and encourage people with a strong call to action. The other way is affiliate marketing, where you recommend products related to your niche and earn commissions on sales made through your links. Of course, none of this works well without strong subject lines, because if people don't open your emails, they'll never see your content. The key is to keep subject lines short, clear, and curiosity driven, while also testing different styles and sending times to see what gets the best response. Just as important is consistency. If you commit to emailing once a week or twice a month, stick to that schedule. Subscribers come to expect your messages, and that regularity builds familiarity and trust. Remember, email marketing isn't about instant results. Conversions often take weeks or even months, so patience is essential. But if you consistently provide value, the results can become a reliable income stream. Finally, as your list grows, you might want to automate parts of the process, and that's where tools like Auber come in. Auber helps you set up automated lead capture, funnels, and back-end sequences that can generate sales even when you don't have a large audience yet. With the right setup, email marketing becomes one of the most powerful ways to connect with people, build trust, and earn sustainable income over time.